What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video I'm going to be breaking down my 3 favorite affiliate programs for beginners. I'm assuming you do know a bit about affiliate marketing, but if you don't, then I do have a previous video about it. But now you know a bit, then you're going to wonder, what product do I promote? So I'm going to be breaking down 3 that you can promote. These are really good affiliate programs. They range from like $3.50 to $1,000 plus, and some are monthly recurring commissions and some are upfront high ticket commissions. So yeah, I'm going to be breaking down those 3. So stick around to the end of the video. I do have a special offer at the end as well. But yeah, with that being said, let's get back into it. Okay, with that being said, I'm going to go into number 1, which is Builderall. Now, Builderall is where people will build their sales funnel, such as their websites for their affiliate offers. So it's a great platform to use for affiliate marketing yourself and to promote as well in the back end. So I do promote this one myself too, and it is a really good affiliate program as it does pay monthly commissions. So you'll be getting paid 33% commissions monthly recurring, just from someone paying their subscription fee for the program. Now, as I did say, it's monthly and it costs around under $70. So I'm going to be breaking down what how many sales will equivalent to how much money you'll make. Okay, so with one sale you can make $20.97, and let's say five sales, as over $100 from just 5 sales, which this is a great affiliate program as they will be paying you these kind of commissions monthly. So if you do have 5 people signed up monthly, then that's how much you will earn per month, just with 5 people signed up through your affiliate link. And yeah, as I did say, this is a really good affiliate program as people use this for their businesses. So it's not like they'll go anywhere with it. This will stay around for a while. As long as they have their businesses going and their sales funnels ready, then people will be paying for this monthly for you to be able to make monthly commissions from them. Okay, number 2, we have GetResponse. Now, GetResponse is pretty much used for email marketing. It's an email marketing tool. You can build websites as well, marketing automation, and some sales funnels as well, which is not really used for that much. But yeah, this is mainly an email marketing tool that people use for their businesses. I use it myself as well. But yeah, this is a great affiliate program as they have different ones you can sign up for. Okay, going into the affiliate program, they have 2 offers for you guys. One is the Bounty affiliate program, which pays $100 per sale from anyone referred by your link. So yeah, this is a one-time commission, $100 per whatever offer they buy inside, and you will receive that. And then the second option is the 33% recurring affiliate program, where you'll be getting paid 33% monthly commissions every time someone pays a subscription fee. Just like on Builderall, as I said before, this is a recurring one, but also there is the Bounty affiliate program. I do recommend you go for the Bounty one, as I do that one myself, but you can go for the recurring one if you do want to. Okay, and number 3 is the 3-day business breakthrough challenge. This is a affiliate marketing business builder challenge where people learn about affiliate marketing itself, what it is, how to make daily commissions, how to set up your business. Everything about affiliate marketing is in here. It's a short course, but yeah, this is probably the best affiliate program that you can join right now for it. It costs $7 to get in, which is not much, especially with the amount of payouts that you can make with this. But yeah, once you do sign up to this, you can join the affiliate program right here, and you'll be getting paid 50% commissions for every single offer inside this program. So yeah, once you do sign up to the affiliate program, you'll be linked with a affiliate dashboard. So yeah, all your links will be here ready to promote. So click one and then boom, your affiliate link will be right there. And this is probably one of the best ones I do recommend you get onto. Also, they do, Jonathan, the actual maker of the challenge, he does create special offers for their affiliates. So sometimes he'll release offers like 75% commissions for like a few days. And it's actually a special offer out right now, which is the TikTok challenge. It starts on the May 31st. So that one will pay 75% commissions, which is great to promote and for yourself as well to get good commissions too. So as it is said, you gain 50% commissions for any offer. And offers in this program range from around $3.50 to $1,000 plus. So you can be making $1,000 commissions with this affiliate program. But yeah, with that being said, guys, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you do get some valuable information from this. And yeah, all the affiliate programs will be linked in the description below to be able to check out and sign up to today. If you do have any more questions, then join my free Facebook group in the description below as well. And the special offer I was talking about at the beginning is the free ebook I'm releasing. This can be accessed in my Facebook group down below as well. So go ahead and join my Facebook group for active resources there, and the ebook will be included too. But thank you guys for watching this video, and peace out.